Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Voghion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then just click on the FAQs button, and here you can see all the questions that you will find an answer for, like they are categorized to payment accounts, so just choose whichever interests you, and you will find like very detailed answers to all the questions that are frequently asked. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.